Welcome to Drawlipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change notification pop-up style in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. So at first open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to notifications option and then go to notification pop-up style. Now here you can see two options, brief or details, and you can choose any option as you like. If I select brief, then go to edge lighting style. From here you can customize your notification pop-up style. Here you can see effect option and you can change your notification pop-up effect from here. You can set any option as you like. Then tap on color and from here you can change your effect color and you can set any color as you like. Now after change the color, tap on advanced. Now on the advanced option you can see two options, transparency and duration, and you can change your effect transparency and duration from here. And you can set any level as you like. Then tap on done and it's done. Now your notification pop-up style has been changed successfully. Then you have to enable show even while screen off option from here. And that's it. And that is how you can change notification pop-up style in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.